Your boat deserves sound as powerful as the adventure ahead. Let's unbox the Kicker 51MSC65 MS Series 6.5-inch Marine Coaxial Speakers. Built specifically for life on the water, these speakers deliver 100 watts RMS and 200 watts peak power, giving you loud, clear, and reliable audio whether you're cruising, fishing, or anchored with friends. The carbon-fiber-infused woofers produce powerful midbass and smooth vocals, while the weather-resistant Tetoron tweeters deliver crystal-clear highs that stay sharp even in harsh marine conditions. Engineered with Kicker Real Marine technology, these speakers feature marine-grade terminals, splash and spray resistance, and durable glass-filled nylon frames for long-lasting performance in sun, salt, and water. Want to make your boat stand out? The built-in RGBW LED lighting adds vibrant, customizable colors to create the perfect atmosphere for day or night. Plus, with both white and charcoal grills included, you can easily match your boat's style. Whether you're upgrading your current system or building the ultimate marine audio setup, the Kicker 51 MSC65 MS Series delivers premium sound, rugged durability, and eye-catching style. Get yours today at onlinecarstereo.com and take your on-the-water experience to the next level.